Today we're making a delicious minced garlic broccoli dish. Cut the broccoli into florets. Soak in salted water for 10 minutes. This helps effectively remove impurities. Boil the water, add a pinch of salt and a few drops of oil. Blanch the broccoli for 1 minute. Don't overcook it or it will affect the texture. Remove the broccoli and quickly cool it down in ice water. Then drain it and set aside. Pour oil into the pan. Add minced garlic to the hot oil. Fry over medium-low heat until golden. Cook until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Add a little water around the edge of the pan. Add soy sauce and oyster sauce. Season with salt to taste. Add the broccoli to the pan. Thicken the sauce with a little cornstarch slurry. Stir fry quickly until well combined and serve. Adding salt and oil when blanching helps maintain the broccoli's color. It's both beautiful and delicious. The garlic is best when it's golden brown. Overcooking will result in a bitter taste. If you prefer a lighter flavor, you can omit the oyster sauce. Subscribe to my channel. There's always a dish that's perfect for your taste.